dito. Nai-stress yung bangs ko sa inyo. Gumigilid tuloy.
Ayan na. Now the results are in.
Guys, no specific order to guys ha. No specific order.
We're going to announce our top 6 in a random order. Random order po namin i-announce. Yung matatawag po pala is standby lang sa baba. Dahil yung top 6 na hindi matatawag is mag-up para i-claim yung consolation prize. Gets po ba? Yung mga kasama sa top 6, stay lang po muna sa baba. Yung mga hindi po natawag sa top 6, yun po yung mag-up para i-claim yung consolation prizes. Okay. The first name who will go to the top 6 is Owa Banana!
Yes, congratulations!
Congratulations!
Okay, our second name na pasok sa top 6, we do have Gigi from Baraha Agency. Congratulations, Gigi. Standby lang kayo sa baba. Go, partner.
The third name is... Ako, makabahan muna kayo.
Naghihintay sila. Oy, naghihintay.
You are also heading to the top 6! Skylar! Congratulations!
Yes. Congratulations, Mami! And for our fourth contender na makakapasok sa ating second set, we do have Iggy Boy from Dice Agency. Congratulations to last two names. Are you ready, guys?
Your game,
Kinakabahan ako. Alam mo kung ako kasali dito, parang naiiyak na
your
ako.
game is not yet over! Jess! Congratulations, Jess!
Ito na ang last, Guys, whatever the result is, congratulations everyone, okay? Sa lahat po ng mga, yung nakapasok na kayo, yung kayo na yung napiling 12, sobrang swerte nyo na guys, kaya congratulations. Ang daming hindi nakapasok dito sa audition na to. For our last contender na makakapasok sa ating second round, congratulations to Ray from Enigma Agency! Congratulations! And everyone! And po dun, para po dun sa anim na hindi natawag, please do come up para po maibigay na ang inyong consolation prizes, which is idadrop po ni Doc P. Ngayon na! Makukuha nyo na ngayon guys, kagad-kagad. Kaya up na po kayo. Sino nga ba yung mga hindi natawag?
Wait lang.
I think we do have Sheng. Can you please come up, Sheng? We also do have Nikki, Bonnie Jr., Harriet. Sino pa ba? I think Ace. Can you please come up? Miss Mavis. Ayan, sila. Sino pa yung nawawala? I think Iggy
Bonnie.
Boy. Ay, no, not Iggy Boy. Bonnie.
Bonnie.
Can you please come up, Sir Bonnie? Siya yung nakatulog kanina eh. Feeling ko tulog na.
Tulog na ata siya.
Kuya Bonnie Jr., are you still here? Can you please come up?
Di maka-up? Ala, bakit di maka-up?
May mumu ba sa Sa tree? Is
Pwede
someone
ba
sitting on tree?
Pwede ba i-drop sa kanya kahit nasa baba siya?
Hindi. Nakaka-up naman si
Nakaka-up
Isma.
naman si Tito Isma.
Again, everybody, sa mga hindi po nakapasok sa ating second set,
Paano
Bonnie
mag-invite?
Jr., Harriet, Nikki, Mavis, Sheng, and Ace, still congratulations, guys. Kasi nakasali kayo dito.
Paano
Promise, guys,
mag-invite?
click mo lang siya. Promise, guys, sobrang hirap. Ang daming nag-audition dito and kayo yung 12 na sobrang palad na nakapasok. Kaya congratulations pa rin. And, di ba, wala naman talo kasi lahat makakakuha ng prizes. And
Walang option
congratulations
sa
again.
akin.
Hindi ako marunong mag-invite eh. Pag admin yan lang yata. Click mo yung 3 dots.
Mute, kick off room, report, block lang.
Huwag po kayo mag-away. Congratulations, guys! Ayaw pa din
Pipindutin ko
daw.
yung seat. Okay. Sorry po, newbie. Sorry.
Yung seat pala.
Wait lang.
Ayan na. Ate Len!
Ayan.
Inaway si Ate Len. Ano?
Ayan.
Oh, Diyos ko, napakahirap umakyat.
Na-stress ka
Pala
ba?
yun. Sorry po, newbie kasi ako.
Bakit ayaw ko makaakyat?
Pangit, Bonnie Jr. is already here. Yes, congratulations
Thank you po.
everyone. Not bad to be on this competition. Kaya, congratulations pa rin.
Congrats po sa atin lahat.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Bonnie Jr., Harriet, Nikki, Mavis, Sharon, and
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po.
Ay,
Hi! Thank you guys. Feel free to watch the second part, okay? Again, congratulations. Don't feel bad. Magaling kayo kasi nakaabot kayo dito sa competition na to. Job well done, everybody. And to our 6 contenders na nakapasok sa ating top 6, can you please come up, guys? Bakit may nag-aaway? Kaya nga sa nag-aaway, wag naman kayo mag-aaway. Can you
Sino ba
please come up? Owa Banana, Gigi, Skylark, Iggy Boy, Jess, and Ray. Again, Owa Banana, Gigi, Skylark, Iggy Boy, Jess, and Ray. Panawagan po sa mga nawawalang contender. Can you please come up? Oo, Banana, Gigi, Skylark, Iggy Boy, Jess, and Ray. Kukulit nyo.
Feeling ko dire-diretso na to. After nung isang kumanta, proceed na agad sa pangalawa.
Yes. Ano to guys, kung sino yung nakaupo sa 3, 4, 5,
Yun na yung
6,
ano.
7, and 8, tuloy-tuloy na. Hindi na namin kayo i-introduce or introduce pa natin sila.
Hindi na siguro.
Hindi na. Or kaya sabihin na natin kung ready na si ganito, ganyan. Para may cue sila kasi baka bigla silang maloka. Sorry guys, wala kami yung dry run kasi pares ka busy.
Sa mga top 6 guys, ibigay nyo na yung best nyo dahil last na to.
Yes,
Ito na yung
Sir
last set of
Sir
songs natin.
Totorogang. Sobrang deserving lahat. Sobrang gagaling. Lahat deserve.
So, ibigay nyo na talaga yung best nyo.
Ibigay nyo na ang aming... Ay, hindi pala yun. Wala pa palang Pasko. Up na kayo, guys.
Oh,
Sino
ayan.
pa kulang?
Good luck po sa top 6.
Is
Sinong mananalo? Hati tayo.
Jess already here? I think si Jess na lang yung kulang.
Si Jess.
Jess, hello? Paging Jess, can you please come up to slot number 3 so we can start our second set of this competition? This is the final set pala, hindi pala second. Sorry. My fault. Oh, sana po si Jess. Sana makakanta na tayo. Sa mga nakakilala po kay Jess, pakisabihan po siya, please. Oh, by the way, guys, after nila magsikanta, meron pa rin tayong Q&A. Kaya wag kayong aalis. Sabi ko, sisisihan nyo talaga. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi kayo
Mas malaki
makakatulog.
to, mas malaki.
Wala pa! Tuturugang. Ikaw nagpe-press 1 ka naman kagad. Wala pa.
Ayan na.
Ayan. Jess, are you ready? You're the one who will sing first. Kasi ikaw ang itinadhanang maupo sa slot number 3. Are you ready? Whenever you're ready, please open your cam. Then we will introduce you. Then we will start the last set of this competition. Again, sa mga nagsistay pala, to our 71 viewers, thank you for being here. And please do follow all of us, sa mga naka-app and yung mga nandito sa baba. Follow niyo isa't isa. Spread the love, guys. And thank you sa pagsistay dito. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung event natin. By the way, guys, the event is sponsored by Tala and our agency too. Kaya, salamat at binigyan tayo ng chance na mag-execute ng ganitong event. I think Jess is still preparing. May mga questions ba kayo, guys? Ano gusto niyong tanong? Huwag lang kayo mangungutang sa amin dahil wala rin kaming pera. Thank you din, Mariosep. Mariosep ka. Thank Kiwa Mariate. Nagagalit mga OAT. Sino nagagalit? May magagalit. May magagalit. Masama yun. Masama yung nagagalit. Sorry Dan, pero kahit konso di mo makukuha. La! I think sir, this is ready. You ready?
Yes po. May lagging po?
Hindi naman po. Okay lang. Okay! I think it's okay na. Nakalimutan ko ano agency ni Jess. Elixir pala. Okay. From Elixir Agency, give it up for Jess. Everyone, let's go.
Paano ang puso kong ito ngayong lumisan ka sa buhay ko? Kung kailan sumikat ang araw at lumigaya ang aking mundo. Paano ng mga bukas ko ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko? Paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka. Paano na ang mga bukas ko ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko? Paano mga pangarap na iyong iniwanan na laging isa? Sana'y ika'y muli tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka. Mayakap ka. Mayakap ka.
Thank you so much, Jess.
Thank you po.
Gigi, are you ready? Gigi, can you please open your
Hello
camera?
po.
Guys, tutuloy-tuloy
Yes, one
na
minute.
natin to para hindi masira yung climax natin. So, Gigi's ready. Give it up for Gigi, everyone. Let's go!
Thank you po. Hey! Let's go! Good evening again, everybody. Here we go! Hey! Filipino made con loud world stage. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, just some things rearranged. We'll let the change somewhere behind. Let's go! Slow down, you're gonna crash. Baby, you screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, you've got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real going, real going. Real going. There's a new cat in town, he's got high-paid friends. Think he's gonna change his story. You think you know him so well, but you think it's so swell, but he's just perpetuating for himself. Slow down, you're gonna crash. Baby, you screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, you've got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real going, real going. Real good, real good, real good, yeah! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! You can say what you want, but you can say it round here. 'Cause they'll catch you and give you a whipping. Well, I believe I was right when you said you were wrong. You didn't like the sound. Now did ya? Slow down. It's a blaze, 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 blaze. Everybody's looking for a breakdown. Not so, not scared. Got pedal to my bed, got my hands in the air. So much scared. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone. Hey, yeah. Come on everybody, come on everybody, come on, come on, come on everybody, come on everybody, hey. Come on everybody, sa akin ay sumabay, sama-sama sumayaw, taas sa mga kamay, kung maraming iniisip, ulo umiit, kung limayat mo, makinig ka lang ng music yung bra! Woo! Hey! Oh, 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 real gold, real gold, real gold. Oh, real gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Real gold. Oh, real gold, real gold, real gold, real gold. Thank you so much po.
Wow! Gigi ang
Thank
pangalan,
you.
pero Kizzy tandingan ang boses. Thank you, Gigi! Good job! Sir Owa, are you ready? Can you please open your camera po? Sige lang, partner. Ako nang bahala dito. Mamaya ka na magsalita pag tapos na
Hello
silang
po.
lahat. Yan. Ready na si Sir Owa. Okay, let's go for our third contender. Give it up for Owa Banana!
Thank you po. Nais kong maihip ng hanging walang patutunghan, parang ibong wala rin hanggan, kundi ang lahat ng lumipad. Nais kong lumipad, nais ko ring maagos ng alon saan man mapadpad. Kahit nais na ubuntihin hangarin, lumangoy ng lumangoy. Nais ko lumangoy. Nais kong malibot ang mundo sa kanyang kasulok-sulukan. Nais kong makita ang paligid kong puno ng kagandahan. Nais kong makadama ng kakaibang damdamin kahit pinsan man lang. Habang ako ay may buhay, wala nang hangarin pang tunay. Nais ko, nais ko, nais kong maulit ang buhay kung may pagkakataon, upang mamalas sa mga bagay-bagay na di ko natanto sa aking buhay. Nais kong paulit pa, ulit-ulitin pa ang buhay ko. La 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 la. La 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 la. Nais kong malibot ang mundo sa kanyang kasulok-sulukan. Nais kong makita ang paligid kong puno ng kagandahan. Nais kong makadama ng kakaibang damdamin kahit pinsan man lang. Habang ako ay may buhay, wala nang hangarin pang tunay. Nais ko, nais ko, nais kong maulit ang buhay kung may pagkakataon, upang mamalas sa mga bagay-bagay na di ko natanto sa aking buhay. Nais kong paulit pa, ulit-ulitin pa ang buhay ko. Nais kong maulit muli, nais kong mabuhay muli, ulitin muli, ulitin muli, paulit-ulit-ulit muli. Ito ang nais ko, ang nais ko, ang nais ko, ang
so much, Sir Owa. Yan, may nabasa ako sa comment section. Hirap na daw ang mga judges. Yes, feeling ko din stress na sila. Katulad ng bangs ko, stress na din niya alam ko sa gitna or sa gilid. Iggy Boy, are you ready? Can you please open your camera? Thank you for our 3 contenders na kumanta na. Sir Jess, Sir Gigi, and Owa. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Iggy Boy is ready. For our 4th contestant, give it up for Iggy Boy, everyone. Let's go.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In the turn up town, no postcode envy, and everybody's like gold feet, trading, shipping in a bathroom, distance, ball guns, stressing in a tower room. We don't care. We're having Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like this. So lay back, time in your time. Get the lens, I like tucks on the gold dish. We don't care. We are in Canada and you'll have a plan. It will never be royal. Keep running up like the kind of love you same for us. Within a different kind of us. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bean, baby, 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 I will rule. And I live like fantasy. My friends and I will crack the code. We got $1 to the train, to the party. And everyone's a knows that's knows, knows that we're fine with these. We didn't come from money. Hey! Focus, waiting, shipping the bathroom, but still bargains, stressing in the town room. We don't care without it for the last synergies, but everybody's like. Diamonds in your timepiece, get plans all the targets in the goldfish. We don't care. We got it calling in your level path. It will never be royal. Neither running up like the kind of that same for us. Within a different kind of us. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bean, baby, baby, baby. I will rule. Let my love like fantasy. Hey, 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 hey. Here we go! Simula pa nung bata pa ako, halata mo na kapag naglalaro. Kaya parang natay nalilito, magaling sa Chinese. Katerati ko, mga labi mo'y pulang-pula. Sa bubble gum na sinapa, palakalakat sa harapan na salamin. Sinasabi sa sarili, yan ang pangalan nila. No, we're bigger than we ever dreamed. And I'm loving being green. No, never saw without the cat. You gotta call up being alive. That kind of blood you save for us. We're green and different kind of love. Yeah, yeah, baby. Baby, baby, I will see, no. Let my love like everybody see, no. Let my love like
you say, let me laugh like Hennessy. Let me live the fantasy.
Yes, another crazy Dandingan song. Thank you so much, Iggy Boy.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Please do stand by for our contender. Are you ready, Mommy Skylar? Can you please open your camera? Thank you, Iggy. Good job, good job. Yes, for our second to the last contestant, give it up for Mommy Skylark, everyone. You can start whenever you're ready.
Spy on me, baby. You satellite. Everywhere to see me move through the night. Yeah, I'm gonna fire and shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you fight. Now you found a secret code I use to wash away my loneliness. I can't deny all lie, 'cause you're the only one to make me climb. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb, and you can give it to me when I need to come on. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb, and baby, you can turn me on. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm gonna do you no harm. This bomb's for loving, you cannot shoot it far. I'm a main target, coming every night. Love shot, I'm holding you tight. Will make me explode, although you know the route to go to sex me slow. I'm your main target, coming every night. Love shot, I'm holding you tight. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. Hey! You get me more, counting out the scars. Turn me upside down and inside out. Make me feel the real deal. And I can give it to you anytime because you're mine. Woo! Sex bomb, scooting down. Sex bomb. Sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sex bomb, can turn me on. Sexy bomb, you're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need to come along. Sexy bomb, you're my sex bomb. Baby, you can turn me on. Oh, baby, you can turn me on. I said, baby, you can turn me on. Oh, baby, you can turn me on.
Hey, thank you, Mommy Skylar. Please stay po. Salamat po Thank you din po sa mga nagsusupport and thank you for doing that after this sing. Salamat. Thank you din, Mommy. Pray, are you ready? Can you please open your camera? Ayan. Booksh. Ayun. Our last, but definitely not the least. Give it up for Ray, everybody!
Minsan na lang akong umibig. Ako ba'y nagkamali? Sadyang mahulog sa'yo. Mayroon bang nagmamayari? Kahit na anong pilit, katotohanan ay may kalit. Tingin ang sigaw ng damdamin na ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Ako na lang sana ang iyong ligaya. Ako na lang sana hanggang pagtanda. Ako na lang, sinta. Pagsubok lang ba o di para sa'kin? Dapat na bang bumitiw? Ba't nagtago ang ating puso? Kung ikaw rin ay aalis, pag-ibig ko'y di mapigil. Kahit na may bigati, bigin ang sigaw ng damdamin na ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Ako na lang sana ang iyong ligaya. Ako na lang sana hanggang pagtanda. Ako na lang, sinta. Pilit man, itahat naman ang kapalaran ang hindi na makakuhaan. Kaya ayoko na sana magmahal. Ayoko na sana muling umasa. Ayoko na sana masaktan. Ngunit ikaw ang mahal. Ikaw na lang sana. Ikaw na lang sana ang tanging kayakap. Ikaw na lang sana Wala nang iba, ikaw na lang ang mahal. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Ray. Good job. And to our 6 contestants,